Being a CIO sounds like a dream job, right? You get to be at the forefront of technology, making decisions that shape the future of the company. You get to lead innovation and drive strategy, working with brilliant minds to solve complex problems. But let's be real for a second. The reality is far from glamorous. Behind that fancy title is a role filled with sleepless nights and constant pressure. The weight of responsibility can be overwhelming. In this video, we're diving deep into the real challenges behind the CIO role. We'll explore the hidden struggles that come with the job. From security threats to the pressure to do more with less, we're breaking down the tough stuff. It's a balancing act that requires constant vigilance, so whether you're a CIO, aspiring to be one, or just curious about the tech world, stick around, we've got a lot to uncover. First up, let's talk about the big one, security. In today's digital age, security is more critical than ever before. CIOs live in a constant state of vigilance, always aware of the next big cyber attack. They must anticipate and prepare for threats that could strike at any moment. Every day, new threats emerge: ransomware, phishing attacks, you name it. These attacks are becoming more sophisticated and harder to detect. We're talking about millions of dollars in fines and irreparable damage to the company's reputation. The financial and reputational impact can be devastating. CIOs are constantly evaluating security measures and training their teams to be vigilant. Regular training sessions and updates are crucial to stay ahead of potential threats. The question isn't if a breach will happen, it's when and how prepared the CIO and their team will be to handle it. Preparedness and quick response can make all the difference. Let's face it, we live in an always-on world. Instant access, 24/7 connectivity, it's what users expect. And when systems go down, even for a few minutes, it can cost companies millions. CIOs are tasked with juggling aging infrastructure and the constant pressure to maintain near-perfect uptime. Think about it, 99.9% uptime still translates to almost 9 hours of downtime per year. So while we're all sleeping peacefully, CIOs are the ones getting that dreaded 2 a.m. call when the systems go haywire. Gone are the days of simple IT setups. Today's tech landscape is a wild jungle of legacy systems, hybrid clouds, microservices and containers. CIOs are expected to manage this complex web of technologies effectively. They're constantly evaluating new tools and services, trying to find the perfect balance between innovation and integration. But here's the catch. The average IT team uses dozens of different tools, often adding to the chaos. CIOs have to ensure that all these disparate systems work together seamlessly. The budget battle, doing more with less. The eternal struggle. Budget constraints. CIOs are constantly being told to do more with less, to squeeze every ounce of value out of their IT budgets. They're expected to drive innovation, improve efficiency, and enhance security, all while staying within those financial lines. But here's the reality: new technology doesn't come cheap, and proving the ROI of these investments can be an uphill battle. The talent crunch: finding and keeping skilled teams. Let's not forget the human element in all of this. Behind every successful IT system is a team of talented individuals working tirelessly. But finding and retaining these skilled professionals is becoming increasingly difficult. The tech industry is booming and competition for top talent is fierce. IT burnout is a real issue, and CIOs need to foster a positive work environment to keep their teams engaged. The need for speed. Keeping up with rapid technological change. The tech world moves fast, at warp speed. What's cutting edge today might be obsolete tomorrow. CIOs are in a constant race against time, trying to keep up with the latest trends and advancements. Falling behind isn't an option. It means losing your competitive edge. CIOs have to carefully evaluate each new technology and decide whether it's the right fit for their organization. Out of the shadows, the need for observability and control. Imagine driving a car with a blindfold on. That's what it's like for many CIOs trying to manage their IT infrastructure without proper visibility. They're making decisions based on limited information, reacting to issues after they've already occurred. CIOs need real-time insights and actionable data to proactively address potential issues. This is where solutions like nuaura.ai come in, providing full-stack observability. The weight of the world, why it all matters. So why do CIOs lose sleep? Because they're not just managing technology, they're managing the foundation of modern businesses. They're responsible for security, reliability, budgets, teams, and innovation. It's a high-pressure role with no shortage of challenges, but it's also a role that's constantly evolving, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. So, being a CIO is not for the faint of heart. The challenges are immense and the stakes are high. Every decision can have a significant impact on the entire organization. It's a tough job, but somebody's got to do it. The long hours, the constant pressure, and the need to stay ahead of technological advancements can be overwhelming. And with technology becoming more integrated into our lives, the role of the CIO is only going to become more important. They are the unsung heroes of the digital age, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. Big shout out to all the CIOs out there, holding it down and keeping the digital world spinning. Your dedication and hard work do not go unnoticed. If you're interested in learning more about how nuaura.ai can help CIOs gain control and visibility over their IT environments, check out the link in the description below. We offer innovative solutions to make your job easier and more efficient.